Hello students, hope you are doing well by the grace of Lord. And I also pray for your safety. Actually, we are going through a very critical situation for this pandemic. As a result, we are to stay at home. I hope you are continuously studying at home regularly. So, today we are going to do assertive to interrogative. So, rule number 1. অর্থের পরিবর্তন না করে সাহায্যকারী ভার্বযুক্ত অ্যাসার্টিভ সেন্টেন্সকে ইন্টারোগেটিভে রূপান্তরিত করার সময় সেন্টেন্সটা যদি অ্যাফার্মেটিভ হয় তাহলে অক্সিলারি ভার্ব প্লাস নট প্লাস সাবজেক্ট প্লাস বাকি অংশ প্লাস ইন্টারোগেশন মার্ক বসে। That means if the sentence is affirmative, the transmitted sentence will be negative. And if and here is a note, assertive a will can shall am ইত্যাদি অক্সিলারি ভার্ব থাকলে ইন্টারোগেটিভ করার সময় ওগুলো নেগেটিভ ফর্ম হয়ে যায়, যেমন ওন্ট, কান্ট, শান্ট, আরন্ট হয়। Let's see some examples. Here he is in the school. Interrogative, isn't he in the school? Assertive, you can do the work. Can't you do the work? That means if the sentence is the affirmative, the interrogative sentence will be negative interrogative. So this is the main extract of these rules. Next rule number 2. অক্সিলারি ভার্ব যুক্ত নেগেটিভ অর্থবোধক অ্যাসার্টিভ সেন্টেন্সকে ইন্টারোগেটিভ এ রূপান্তর করার সময় নেগেটিভ উঠে যায় এবং সাহায্যকারী ভার্ব প্রথমে বসে, শেষে প্রশ্নবোধক চিহ্ন বসে। দ্যাট মিন্স ইফ দ্য সেন্টেন্স ইজ নেগেটিভ দেন দ্য ট্রান্সমিটেড সেন্টেন্স উইল বি পজিটিভ। ইফ ইউ সি দ্য এক্সাম্পল it will be clear to us. Assertive, he is not in the school. Is he in the school? Next example, I shall not go to Dhaka tomorrow. Shall I go to Dhaka tomorrow? So all these are the examples of rule number 2. The first two rules were about auxiliary verb. Without auxiliary verb, rule number 3, without auxiliary verb, how can we change an assertive sentence into interrogative? So here, অক্সিলারি ভার্ববিহীন অ্যাসার্টিভ সেন্টেন্সকে ইন্টারোগেটিভে রূপান্তরিত করার সময় সাবজেক্ট এবং টেন্স অনুযায়ী ডো নট, ডিড নট, ডাজ নট বসে, প্লাস সাবজেক্ট প্লাস ভার্বের বেস ফর্ম প্লাস ভার্বের পরের অংশ প্লাস প্রশ্নবোধক চিহ্ন বা ইন্টারোগেশন মার্ক। That means subject, tense, according to tense and subject, from the beginning of the sentence we have to use do not, did not, doesn't, then the present form of the verb or base form of the then subject, then base form of the verb, then the next portion of verb plus interrogation mark. So if you see the example, he played good football. So the sentence is in past indefinite tense. That's why we in case of doing interrogative we have used didn't, and it is also affirmative sentence. That's why we use didn't he play good football? Next example, she likes ice cream. Doesn't she like ice cream? So here we can understand that if our concept about tense is clear, then it is very easy to understand all these rules. It is not so tough to understand all these rules. Rule number 4. Assertive sentence a never থাকলে ever হয় and nothing থাকলে anything হয়. If in the affirmative sentence there is never, we have, in the case of never, in the place of never we have to use ever, and if there is nothing in the sentence, then in the place of nothing we have to use anything. So and if there is no auxiliary verb in the sentence, then we have to bring an auxiliary verb according to subject and tense, and not the least, we have to use interrogation mark. If you see the example, assertive, you never play football. Do you ever play football? As the sentence is in present indefinite tense, so that's why the first we have used do, and in the place of never we have used ever. So do you ever play football? Do, then verb, subject, then ever. Never, in the place of never we have used ever, then base form of verb, then extension. I have nothing to do. Have I anything to do? So here is another note we can see here. Assertive sentence subject যদি nothing থাকে তাহলে nothing এর জায়গায় word বসে। Assertive sentence যদি subject এ nothing থাকে তাহলে nothing এর জায়গায় word বসে। Nothing can ruin him. Interrogative, what can ruin him? So this is exceptional rules. So you have to memorize it. Next rule number 5. Everybody, everyone, all যুক্ত assertive sentence কে interrogative এ রূপান্তর করার সময় everybody, everyone, all এর পরিবর্তে who বসে, and subject এবং tense অনুসারে do not, did not, doesn't বসে, ভার্বের base form বসে এবং প্লাস ভার্বের পরের অংশ প্লাস interrogation mark বসে। So if in any assertive sentence we can see the use of everybody, everyone, all. In the place of everybody, everyone, all, we have to use who. Then according to subject and tense we have to use do not, did not, doesn't. Then the base form of verb plus the next portion of the verb, then interrogation mark. So let's see the example how it goes with the rules. Everybody wants to be win. Then according to rules, in the place of everybody we have used who doesn't wish to be win. Here, as the sentence, the assertive sentence is in present indefinite tense, that's why we have used doesn't. Who doesn't wish? After who doesn't wants to be win, sorry, slip of writing. Who doesn't want to be win? So here, after using doesn't, then the main verb has become in base form. So next portion is in the same thing, in the same way. Everybody or all loves flowers. Who doesn't love flowers? So here we can see all the examples goes with the rules.